pressed the wrong button.
Oh no! Hi, it's Candace, Cactus to Trees Homestead. I've got Greyson here with me. We are going to up pot our seedlings. So we've got these solo cups that we just cut down. We're doing an intro for the second time in case it's not obvious because we totally screwed up. So anyway, we're going to up pot them. He's going to put some soil in there for me, and I'm going to move our seedlings into a bigger pot. We're actually in the middle of a move, so it's kind of crazy that we're doing this at all, but my husband has always grown a garden in the 14 years that we've been married, and we're leaving our big beautiful garden, and we're really sad about it, but we're moving to property at my in-laws house, and there's room for a garden. I'm just not sure where it's going to be at the moment, but you know, Lord willing, we're gonna get some seeds in the ground. So here we go. Okay, like I said, my husband's the gardener. I am not, and I've never done this before, but how hard could it really be, right? Oops. Got to keep these close by because they are labeled right here. Okay, so just keep going ahead and filling up more and just set them all out right here, and I will try to keep up. Not sure if I was supposed to put it all the way down in there. Maybe I should text Dad and ask him. I don't want to do all these wrong. Yeah, let's do that. Let's text Dad and see. Okay, so we're going to change it up a little bit. I was going to have him just fill these up, and I was going to put the seedlings in there, but that's not working because they need to go down kind of far in the cup. So we're both going to figure this out as we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in here.
So do I just...
So you're going to pick this up. In order to get these out, grab a hold of it like that, and you push up from the bottom like that. See, now you have that whole thing out. So we're just gonna start here. Put a little bit of dirt in the bottom like that. Hold it like that, and then put dirt all around it.
So are you going to be holding the plant?
No, you're gonna do this by yourself. I'm just showing you right now. But we can't forget to label them once we get them in there. So this one is National Pickling. So this is a cucumber. So let's see if you can do one. See if you can remember. That was your drinking cup for a second. I saw the dirt. Okay, so get just a little bit of dirt in the bottom first.
First, I gotta do this. Is that good?
Yep. Yay! Number 1, cucumbers.
Okay.
Okay, stick it right there. Now put dirt all around it.
Yeah.
kind of squeeze the cup like this. That way it doesn't go everywhere.
I'm done with the room.
Okay, so that means
Wait, why do these have holes on the bottom?
that's so whenever he waters them, if there's too much water, the water comes out. Okay, so we're done with the national pickle.
Yeah.
Be nice. Okay, we finished our up potting plants and you did a good job. Thank you for your help.
Welcome.
All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll talk soon.